amazing. Hello, mommy. My mama watching on Facebook. Repeat that, please. What did you talk to Kushio?
Oh, yes. Since you have a broken screen, get some packing tape, clear packing tape you can get from wherever, and put 2 strips over it. So it keeps all the broken pieces from cutting you, and it's workable for a little while, at least until you get your new phone set up.
This needs to change whole completely of screen. You know, Kushio, we are related because I drop my phone all the time to the point that before, if I don't get the screen protect, I broke my screen, like original screen from the phone. I'm so bad with this. So bad. Know how to explain it, but... This cute baby. All right, here you go. I'm looking for smaller pieces on Earth.
Oh yeah, and on that note, for those of you actually going to do the packing tape, make sure to cut a slit right where usually you put your ears on the top, like the ear speaker on top. Cut a little slit right there so you can actually talk to people.
Why do you have 2 of this?
Yeah, people love the butterfly.
This one is so adorable. And now I'm not afraid of to do like this 3D anymore because I'm gonna seal all my precision glue on any edges that I needed it. It just work amazing.
So ambition now, yeah. So technically this is an online class, so we try to go slow as we can. Make sure you guys can get as much information out of it as you can. As far as online class, right now we're not planning for it.
We will. Sweet ambitions. We're definitely gonna keep you posted, and then something's gonna be cool happen in Florida, right in the headquarters here. So we are hosting the class soon. Please stay tuned for more informations with a lot of like when the classes. Not only you learn so many techniques, also you get a good gifts, products to take home as well. So in the past 2.5 years, we have a lot of